Dearest of friends, today we're going to be making a very special pumpkin pie. And of course, we're going to be using our wonderful almond butter as a base. And this is made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. And our special ingredient is intentionality. Consciousness makes all the difference in the world, and it will never be emulated or replaced. As we see it here at Living Tree Community Foods, there is an insuperable gap between consciousness and AI that will never ever be bridged. So our secret ingredient is intentionality. The farming family have 70,000 trees. Can you imagine that? Which they grow on something like 500 acres. And the almonds, here in the midst of winter, the almonds have started to bloom. And in 2 more weeks, the entire Great Central Valley, as far as the eye can see, will be a sea of white. And that's why California is one of the very few places where outside of the Mediterranean basin where almonds can be grown, because the winters here are relatively mild. So think about that. Almond blossom time is almost upon us. So let us begin. Let's begin with, as we've done so many times before, with a cup of spring water. And you've guessed it, a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. And there you have it. It has flashed into almond milk. The problem with almond milk is that it's too easy to make, and so much fresher than anything that's been sitting on a store shelf. So let's add chia seeds, a food of the Native Americans of the Southwest. It kept them going over long tracts of desert. Let's add some chia seeds to thicken things up. Okay. So let's leave that be for now, and let's go on. And basically our pumpkin is going to be a butternut squash. This is a very, very close relative indeed. So here we go with a California grown butternut squash. Okay. And now let us Now let's put this in our food processor. Beautifully. It's grounded up very, very nicely indeed. Let's give it another try. Okay, and now next, what about some banana for creamy smoothness? Okay. And now, what about adding some sweetness? So how about some Medjool dates? These are our beautiful California grown Medjools. Let's pit them. I really want to make it a bit more sweet, so we'll add a couple more Medjool dates. We love them. They're such a magnificent organic sweetener, but of course, and they add so much body and texture. Okay. Now also, what about adding some of our magnificent California grown flame raisins? Flame raisins are considerably larger than your usual Thompson seedless raisin. So, flame raisins. And now let's go ahead and continue on with our almond milk. We put some chia seeds in the almond milk, and now we're going to add a tablespoon of our Living Tree walnut butter, made from California walnuts, but of course, very, very popular because the health benefits of walnuts are coming more and more to the fore. People are discovering walnuts. People are benefiting from them for sure. Then for creamy, ecstatic smoothness, why not our cashew butter. Okay. And now what about a bit of macadamia butter, living tree macadamia butter, just to be ecstatic? Now, Vermont, living tree Vermont maple syrup. And of course, our Call of the Wild honey. Now what about, since it's going to be a pumpkin pie, we simply have got to add, let's say, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then, to elicit the flavors, half a teaspoon of our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Now, we have our mixture of basically of bananas and pumpkin, all raw, but of course Okay, now we're going to, we have a pie dish lined with parchment paper. So, doesn't that look ecstatic? Now we're not quite done. We would like to do a topping, and we're going to ground up some of our Oregon-grown pumpkin seeds. Nothing like them, quite unique. Our golden flax seeds. magnificent color. And finally, our living tree, alive organic almond. Now we're going to give this a bit of a topping. And now, put this in your freezer for, let's say, 3 to 5 hours. We have created a raw, organic pumpkin pie, empowered by Medjool dates, empowered by Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter, and most of all, empowered by intentionality. And remember, our duty, our task, renewal, regeneration, recreation, and redemption. My privilege, my dearest brothers and sisters, to share with you. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and even give us a like. We want to hear from you. Your criticisms and comments are gold to us. Let us go forward. My privilege to share.